Hardwood flooring is the focal point of most houses, so naturally a lot of weight and a lot of thought goes into the design and the choosing of that hardwood floor. Once we were able to figure out exactly what our style was, and once we figured out exactly what the design of our floor was, a lot of things fell into place for us. When somebody comes into our home, there's this ultimate wow factor of, wow, this is really different. I've never seen anything like this. We chose 6-inch, 3/4 solid, white oak character with a wire brush, dark walnut stain, and Bona Natural pre-finish. What makes that significantly different than anything you'll see in any other house is its overall appearance. Paired that with the Bona Natural, which is like the flattest finish you can put on a floor, it just looks and feels really warm and real. The floor itself has this ultimate texture to it. It's just stunning, like really, really beautiful texture. Paired with a flat finish, it's just that is the #1 thing that people notice when they come into my house, is that it's such a different looking product with that deep wire brush and that natural finish. There's nothing cookie cutter or big box store about it. It was made, it wasn't produced. It was made to order. We built our home, so that took every bit of 11 months to a year. We were able to design our own floor from scratch, and we had custom samples made for us, like specifically for us with what we thought we wanted in a floor, and my wife absolutely fell in love with it.